currently I am editing. Yeah, and then it's like really raining cats and dogs. So about finished with the video. I done had my morning coffee and I had sausages for breakfast. And I'm about finished editing. All I have to do is really like add all my transitions and stuff, and I'm good to go. But yeah, I had announced on Instagram that I will be daily vlogging. Let's just pray. Let's pray. I I manage that 100%, manage it good. I really want a daily vlog. I want to, talk to the peeps. I really like talking to you guys, so I really want a daily vlog. So I got the intro for my phone. And, like, some of my vlogs will be on my phone, and some of them will be shooting from my laptop. Because the reason I'm doing it on my phone is because with this going on here, I have, like, I would say a ton of footage, and it's keep updating me saying that I need to, like, clean out my MacBook, so that's why I will be having some of my vlogs on my phone. But I just uploaded a vlog yesterday. Let me go out of that. Currently still editing again. I'm gonna give y'all a sneak peek of what's new in one of the videos. So I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna go to pop up, and then I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do this. This is like the coolest thing about the updated iMovie that I have. Let's see. Okay, that's the only hint I'm gonna give y'all, okay, to the next video. But I did upload just now. Let's see. I uploaded this one. It's up on my main channel, by the way. Go subscribe. It's for Rizzo. So go subscribe, and this is how it would turn out. That is horrible. I have to throw those two bags away, clean out this mess, and I'm uploading again. Cry. So that's what today's been like. That's. Ooh, I love my flashlight. Ooh, I can vlog in the dark. Nah, really? I knew that, but I never really vlogged on my cell phone like that. But cell phone footage. Woohoo! So let's see what the peeps are doing. In the vlog, I look so orange. But I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog. I will talk to you guys tomorrow. And yeah, today was just one of those days where I just stayed in the house, didn't really go anywhere. So yeah, but I will see y'all tomorrow.